Hello guys, welcome to Hanyu Pinyin lesson again. But today I'm not going to teach you any of the initials or the technical things. I just want to talk about a little bit of my view, because the other day I heard my son, who is 8 years old, and he came back from his school and he told me something which made me a bit shocked. He said his teacher told him, Hanyu Pinyin is very important. When you learn Chinese, it's the most important thing to learn, and it's not important to learn the Chinese words. The characters are not important. We just need to learn Hanyu Pinyin and bingo, that's all you have to learn, and you know everything in Chinese. Wow, I was quite shocked to hear this, because he told me it's not important to learn all the Chinese characters and no need to remember them, how to write them in proper way. So I explained him, in fact, long time ago, there was not any Hanyu Pinyin. Hanyu Pinyin was developed about 50-60 years ago by Chinese government, because Chinese characters, there are so many Chinese characters like these, such as all these, and when you look at all these it's called pictograph character, you do not know what is it, how to pronounce it. So a lot of people was stopped by this and do not want to learn Chinese because they find it too hard. There isn't any system to help them master the reading and recognizing the words. So about 60 years ago, Chinese government developed a system, use all the English alphabets to use this to develop this system, so that would be able to indicate the sound of the Chinese characters. So you see, the main thing is the Chinese word itself, but to learn it is too hard. So there is such a system called Hanyu Pinyin, where you can use it to indicate the sound for all the characters. Such as this one is Han. If without Hanyu Pinyin, can you read this word for me? It's called Han. If you don't know, then that's it, you don't know. But if I write HAN with, I put a fourth tone here, then you know, oh, this is Han. So Hanyu Pinyin is something to aid the learners, to indicate the sound, the pronunciation of the word. It is important to learn it, but it is not the essence of the Chinese language. It's just like you learn English. You think dictionary is important? Yes, it is important. It is a tool to help you to learn English. When you do not know the words, you have to check it out. But if you do not know English at all, and you are holding a very thick English dictionary, it is useless. Same thing as that. Chinese, you have to learn all the characters, how to write, how to read them, and Hanyu Pinyin is a tool to help you to indicate the sound or to learn to recognize the word. So I hope you get my point, and don't downplay the importance of learning the Chinese characters. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.